welcome to Middletown, Maryland for Main Street Monday. Today we are going to take you on a walk through Main Street, Middletown from 1767, and we'll show you some of the beautiful historic buildings as well as a few churches. And so come along with us. It's a little windy, so I'm not going to be talking the whole time through it, so it's going to be a little different than other Main Street Mondays.
A lot of Civil War history associated with this town, from Antietam, Gettysburg, Monocacy. From 62 to 64, Middletown was used for a lot of hospitals and headquarters.
Yes. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and if you're not currently subscribed, please consider subscribing. And for those of you who are currently subscribed, I appreciate your support. So let's go take a tour of Middletown, Maryland. So we are in Middletown, Maryland, established in 1767. Have a little garden here, I guess it is. Or not right now because it's cold. It's windy. It's windy. The church was from 1859. Looks like Reverend. Can't really see what that says. Back down that way. There's nothing down the other side. Homes, might be a few businesses. But up here's where all the historic buildings are.
Stained glass windows on the side.
Oh, I can get a better view of the church this way too. Over here is a picture of it. This is a glare. 31 West Main Street. First building on this corner was a 2-story frame dwelling built in the early 1800s. There's a photo of it.
So this was the old Middletown Savings Bank.
Yep. As well as Town Hall. Middletown, Maryland, founded in 1767. Look at these beautiful lamps on the outside here. So this is 29 West Main. Try to get a little closer. So this used to be a home that was sitting here. And there's across the street. I'll take you guys across the street in a moment. We're gonna look on this side first, and then look, that has initials S and B up there on the ceiling or on the roof. Gotta find out what that is over there.
This is pretty cool right here. They're gonna take one of these older buildings and create a visitor center.
Look at the little trim work on the top.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like a little dollhouse.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
That is cool. I wonder what this used to be. Oh, I should have brought my sunglasses.
I'm gonna wonder and see what's going on. Oh man, she's a nice looking old girl.
Can't see in there. Sorry, folks. Nothing but dirty windows. We'll have to come back when it's done. Now I can show you this side of the road. Jared, look at those windows across the street in the house. The up one, the top ones. They're like little grate looking things. See over there? What is this? Oh, ice cream? There's a sign on there. It's a business though, right? Oh. My head out of the picture here. So here it shows. My head's creating a massive shadow. Middletown was ransomed from the Confederate general Early in 1864 for a ransom of $1,500. There's an ice cream shop.
More ice cream, gross.
They love their ice cream. That's a coffee shop right there. This is the main cup.
Uh-huh.
That might be an old sign.
Maybe.
They decided just to keep it there. Have a little cemetery up the street there.
Another old church. This used to be an old fire hall.
I don't know. I have to look it up in the bit or look it up online. The top of it, is that what's giving it away to you as a firehouse?
Yeah, plus this red concrete. That could have easily.
Well, let's see what it is. See if you're right or wrong. Furniture company.
There's the original, so it's not like.
In a store. Yeah. I'm gonna take you guys across the street here.
Wait. We don't have to wait out. Barber shop.
Yes.
I like how these guys got their little historic plaques on the window.
The historic plaques?
Yeah. Another Frederick County Historical Trust.
Yep. Tax services?
Somebody take
across the street a little bit.
Like every building on this road. Used to be an old blacksmith.
They used to be stored, or used to store ice cream cones, which would explain, probably, that old sign there. This is actually the Middletown Food Bank. The Hardball birthplace. TC Hardball birthplace. TC Hardball birthplace, it says over there. This is a historical society.
This is the old stone house. That's what it's called.
Where does it say that at?
I just know it. That church is the Reformed Church. General McClellan stood at the top of that steeple up there and overseen the Battle of South Mountain from that steeple.
So this is a distillery right here, but I just want to look at this door. Look at that door.
That's an old door.
I don't know. Or what it used to be. So there's a war memorial over there, it says.
War memorial?
Oh, this might have been the old fire station, maybe?
Maybe.
Oh, it says 1950, so that door can't be that old. Definitely looks like an old fire station.
Yeah, has that feel to it.
Oh, it says art on Main. Oh, more of the ransom demands.
These are Confederates. I think that's the ransom letter.
Yeah, it is. It says right there.
Lieutenant Colonel Alexander Sandy Pendleton.
So there's Main Street right there back in 1872.
Very cool.
Look at this art thing. I thought it was a hand at first. Alright everyone, so that's going to be our tour of Middletown, Maryland today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe and leave your comments below.